Hey there. If you are a B2B advertiser and you're looking for very targeted ads and a new place to advertise beyond Google, you're going to want to consider Microsoft Ads. They have specific, unique targeting capabilities that Google does not have because it's connected to LinkedIn. So while you're still going to get a majority of your leads from Google, I'm not saying that you're not going to get them from there. We are finding that using Microsoft's unique capabilities to target specific job titles, companies, and industries is a unique way to go after specific companies or individuals that you want to get your ads in front of. And it's a way to really find new sources of leads for your entire lead funnel. So I'm going to dive into it more in this video. If you have any questions, stay tuned. So within the Microsoft Ads account, you're going to want to build out an audience campaign. After you create the audience campaign and you've built out your ads, you will come over to demographics. We'll click on this. And then from here, you'll see these three tabs: company, industry, and job function. So you can choose anyone you want. You can layer them if you choose, but if you want to go to job function, you come here, you will select your ad group. And then from here, you can see there's a lot of options for job functions you can add in. So choose the job function that you would like. And then you can have a default increase or decrease of your bid by a percentage. And then here, this is where you can either bid only, which essentially makes it if you're familiar with Google, it makes this an observation audience, or you can make it target and bid, which means we only target or limit the reach of your ads to the selected audiences only, with the option to adjust bids for your selections. So if you really want to go after a specific audience, you're going to want to pick on target and bid. You click on that, click on save, and then from that point, you will now target whoever that job function that you got after is. And the same thing applies for the other categories. So industry, exact same idea here. You can choose an industry that you want to go after, choose your ad group. And again, you can see there's a bunch of industries in here. It doesn't have everything that LinkedIn ads, or I should say LinkedIn has. So you won't find all the detailed industries or all the detailed job functions that you would find within a LinkedIn platform, but still gives you a good high level opportunity to find some decent industries that might be within the field or within the ICP of who you're going after. And again, same idea: bids, bid only, or target and bid. And the last one here is for those who have a list of companies that they would like to go after, you can go after a company. So this is a great tool here. So we'll pop in, let's say we type in Apple, and you'll see options for Apple appear, the main one being here at the top, but you'll see lots of companies in here. We've typically found that companies that are less than 500 people, we don't find as frequently. So if you have enterprise companies, you'll pretty much find all of those. Above 1,000, most of those. Above 500, some of those. And under 500, less frequently you'll find those companies. So depending on the size you're looking for, keep that in mind. We have found some though where companies of size of 50, 100, so they are there, just not as frequently as you'll find some of the other larger companies. So this is a great way, as you can see, to utilize Microsoft Advertising Network's ability to use LinkedIn targeting to find your ideal customer profile. It's a unique piece of Microsoft Ads that Google Ads does not have and often is underutilized. Lastly, I'll say, if you are a small advertiser out there and you're looking for companies that might be looking for your service, a software that we use is a software called Genius. I'll put a link to them in the notes to this. They, even in their smallest package, they use intent-based marketing to find companies that are looking for your service. So for example, if you are an SEO agency, they'll give you a list of companies that have been recently looking and doing research on finding a new SEO agency, and you'll get a list emailed to you every single week. And what we've done with a number of our clients is we've taken that list of companies, we put it right into Microsoft Ads, and we sent targeted ads to those companies and to try to get some returns and try to get some of those to reach out. And we've had some success with those. So that's one way to approach this. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Happy to help. Thanks. Take care. Cheers.